Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now coming in today covered in glue, and the last minute because I'm absolutely so tired. It's really hot here and I'm just been making a few things, but I wanted to show you this first before I show you then what I've been making. This video I'll put up first, I think. I don't know, whichever works. The other day when I showed just this fabric that I got from Michelle, that she sent me, a lot of people said, oh gee, that'd make good something good to do with Japanese things or whatever, like Japanese fabric. And so, I said to them that I'd made little kimonos out of that sort of thing before. This is not the same sort of thing, but these are my little kimonos that I folded and made. They are all like folded and sewn, been put away. Haven't done anything with them yet. There will be, the thing to do with them will be out there for me sometime. So that's one, and then there's this little black one. I hope you can see these okay. I hope that they're fully in the shot, but see, that's it's really not hard. Ironing involved. Not a big fan of ironing, but for doing this I wouldn't mind doing it, you know. So and there's a little red one, and then there's this little one here. He might be coming a bit unfolded, this bloke, by the look of him. A bit skew-whiff, isn't he? Anyway, so you just sort of do them like you would origami sort of thing. That's the idea, how they're folded. It isn't that difficult. Like I said, you mostly just need to do to have the iron ready and your piece of fabric, and of course your instructions, and that goes down there that way. And so then you press it all as you go. There's no sewing involved, it's just ironing and folding. So they might be a little bit skew-whiff because they've been in a box that I put them in. Oh dear, that's a long time ago now that I did those. But this material actually would look absolutely great. When I went to buy the fabric to make them with, this was the only things that I could get that probably looked a little bit like it. This was the best. These pieces here were really good. Now I think over the years I've managed to collect up a lot of things that would actually look a lot better, you know, as the little kimonos. So, and you know, you can fold in paper ones to put them in your books or whatever. You could use these anyway for something, and for some sort of decoration if you want to do fabric ones. So, but anyway, so thank you everybody for watching, and I think Amy said she'd like to see these. So Amy, you were one of the people that wanted to look at my little kimonos made up, so here they are. And hopefully I could possibly come back and do a video at some stage, a tutorial on how I make, because I think I'd really like to make one or two out of this one. Okay, what do you do with them when you're finished? What do you do when you've got a whole heap of little kimonos? Book, fabric book, I suppose, or you know, yeah, they're nice, aren't they? Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.